Rating truck built APM 3.0 out of 10. 2.1 out of 10. 10 out of 10 my trucks. 8.7 out of 10. Pretty good GMC. 6.3 out of 10. Pretty good. 8.9 out of 10.